YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Naj Thrax, and I'd like to welcome you back to Thrax.Kicks, the channel where I do sneaker reviews, how-tos, and sneaker news. So if you're into that thing, go ahead and lock in with me. Before we get this video started, I just want to give a thanks and a shout out to all my subscribers and everybody that's been supporting me on this journey. We just hit 100 subscribers, and I want to thank y'all from the bottom of my heart. I am amazed that 100 people want to tune in and watch my videos and watch my reviews. That is awesome. Thank y'all. I love y'all. And since we hit 100 subscribers, I just want to announce that I am going to be doing a giveaway. I want to give back to y'all for supporting me. So if you want to enter into this giveaway, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Go follow me on IG. Screenshot that you follow me on IG and subscribe to the channel and send it to my inbox on IG. Entries will close on December 18th, and on December 19th, I'll do a draw and I will get whatever I'm giving away sent out to y'all. So y'all stay tuned, y'all subscribe, and make sure y'all have that notification bell on so that y'all can catch the video and y'all can see what I'm going to be giving away. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, man. I got this shoe from a YouTuber that I'm actually subscribed to, and I've been following him for a while. It's actually a fellow member of the Armed Services, and he actually inspired me to get into this YouTube thing, so it's kind of a big deal for me to open these shoes up, man. Really excited for it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and grab this box. Starting off, we already got a dope box, man. I'm feeling the box. It's all white and it's got an indigo silhouette with a white Jumpman on the top. And of course, you got quality inspired by the greatest player ever on the side of the box. So in here we got a card. It reads, "The beauty of imperfection fades to perfection. Indigo is among the oldest dyes to be used for textile dyeing and printing. The oldest known fabric dyed indigo dates back more than 6,000 years ago. No two pieces are alike. We embrace these differences with time and use. The depth and the fade of the indigo will reveal a look that is unique to you." So that's pretty dope. That's a good touch, man. I'm feeling these, man. I'm a 12 fan, so I love these, man. I'm a big fan of the 12 silhouette. These are pretty dope, man. Quality ain't too crazy on these. I mean, it's a Jordan 12. I've seen crazier quality, man. The Dark Concord 12 that I just got had a lot better quality on it, but I think it's just because it was like a Durabuck or a Nubuck, whatever it was. And it's a black shoe, so it's kind of hard to mess up a black shoe. So starting off, I'm gonna show y'all the mud flap. The mud flap is covered in all white. Your outsole / midsole is all white. You've got obsidian touches on the outsole with the Carolina blue touches on the toe and on the 23. The top is covered in a soft buttery material. I'm pretty sure this might be leather, and that indigo is the part that's gonna fade away and give you another pattern underneath. You got Carolina blue 2-3 on the tongue, and then it looks like they tried to mix a Carolina blue in on the laces as well. Then you got some blue accents on the pull tab. You got obsidian 23. Then you got the obsidian midsole panel right here. Jumpman panel is all white. Then you have your carbon fiber paneling on the outsole right here. On the inside, they went with a Carolina blue sock liner, and then you got an indigo insole with a Carolina blue Jumpman on it. Then you just got a regular shoe tree in there. It ain't nothing too serious, man. Just a regular cardboard one that comes in most Jordans. Here you got matte silver aigulets for your laces. I think that's a good little pop to the shoe, just to take away some of that blue and white that's covering the whole shoe. Yeah, man, I'm digging them. I think these are pretty nice, man. I've seen better 12s, honestly. I'm not going to sit here in front of y'all. Not my favorite pair of 12s by far, but I will say it's a pretty dope shoe, man. Something that I can definitely rock. It's got one of my favorite colors on it. Definitely going to have to put some Scotch Guard or Rejuvenator on these just so I can keep that outsole white and keep that mud paneling and everything fresh and clean so that I don't get any scuffs on it. No marks, nothing like that. Definitely a shoe that's gonna be in my collection for a while. I don't know if I'm gonna wear them until the indigo wears away, but it's definitely something that I can keep in my collection. I'm not sure if I want to see it without all of that on there, just because I like how the shoe looks like this. It's cool because I was able to get these for retail. Shout out to the Vintage World for giving me a steal on these, man. I paid $180 for these, and that's shipped to my door. If y'all haven't already, go ahead and head over to his channel. Y'all subscribe and give him a follow on IG as well. I'll put his information down in the description. I have links to his Instagram and to his YouTube so that y'all can head over and y'all can follow him and subscribe to his channel. Just so y'all know, this is not a collab. This is not a paid sponsorship. This is nothing like that. I just wanted to give him a shout out because he looked out for your boy. He sent me these shoes for retail. Really inspired me to do this YouTube thing. So I'm hoping I can be where he's at one day. So again, man, I appreciate it. Salute. So yeah, man, overall, I'm really feeling this shoe. They're dope. It's a good colorway. They're nice and clean, man. Fresh DS, never been worn. These haven't even been unlaced yet, man. Shout out to the Vintage World for sending these over to your boy. Y'all get down in the comments. Y'all let me know if y'all like these, if y'all passed on them, if y'all got a pair. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and share this out to all your friends. Hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so y'all can be tuned in whenever I drop a new video and I can continue to bring y'all these bangers in 4K. Also make sure that y'all are subscribed so that y'all can catch this giveaway because I really want to give back to y'all. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell, follow me on IG, and screenshot everything and send it over to my IG at Thrax.Kicks so that you can be entered into this giveaway. Thank you for watching. This has been Thrax.Kicks and I'm out.